Looking for a dynamic role in corporate accounting? Your next big move starts here. Our client, a strong and stable company in Atlanta, Georgia, is on the hunt for a corporate accounting manager. This role isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about making a real impact on the company's financial future. You'll report directly to the CFO and tackle everything from month-end and year-end closes to balance sheet reconciliations. Plus, you'll establish and enforce accounting policies that keep the financials rock solid. But it's not all work and no play. Enjoy a collaborative and dynamic work environment that values your professional growth. And let's not forget the competitive salary of up to $125,000 base salary plus bonus, with comprehensive benefits including health, dental, vision, and a 401k plan. If you're a detail-oriented, tech-savvy accounting professional with strong interpersonal skills, we want to hear from you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join a supportive and professional team. Apply now and take the next step in your career as a corporate accounting manager in Atlanta.